Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download driver HP Pavilion x360. Okay, so open any browser, search to Google search box as it is same. Okay, go to this official website of HP www.support.hp.com and driver model. Just right click to new tab. Okay, then this is your laptop. You can change your operating system is required. Okay, Windows and Windows 10, 11 and like that. Okay, only you can install if you are using 10 11. Okay, then go to scroll down and you can click extract all. Okay, this is browser, this is BIOS. Okay, update BIOS. You can click to download, just one click to download automatically. Okay, and this is diagnostic and this is driver for PCS. This is audio driver. Okay, I show you one install, and this is driver chipset driver. Like click to download, as it is all the driver installations process is almost same. Just click to a single click, then click to yes, then next, I accept, next, next. Okay, then this is graphic, so you can install NVIDIA, this one. Okay, almost 5.8 okay, this is size. This is keyboard, mouse and output for fingerprint sensor driver, fingerprint. Then this is network for the, this is Wi-Fi driver. Just click for the download. Okay, this is RTS. This is also LAN WAN driver. This is Bluetooth driver. This is for storage but not required. Firmware also, and this is utility. Okay, so guys, install. If you are receive any issue when you installing and downloading the driver, so please comment me, I will respond you quickly. Thank you.